Assalamualaikum and very good morning. My name is Hafiz bin Kamarul Naem. I'm from UiTM Shah and I'm from the Faculty of Art and Design Department. My ID numbers of matrix is 2020986415.
Assalamualaikum, my name Nonnie Shafina Binti Mokhtar. Today I want to present about my business study in this semester.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nabilah Binti Nasution from UiTM Shah, Faculty Art and Design. Matric ID 2020989641.
For the first presenter, I want to introduce the background of the study. All students who furthers their study at bachelor's level need to take principles of Entrepreneurship course or ENT530 to give guideline and expose students to the business orientation. In this course, student will be conducted case study, business or company. In this case, students are required to interview any company or business to get two or more problem that faces by company or business. Students need to analyze the problem and give solution to overcome the problem. In this case, we will study about Benchmark Ceramic Enterprise Company, which is a business home decor product such as ceramic vases under the brand Raaquu. We are going to analyze on the problem that faces by Benchmark Ceramic.
Next, about problem statement. We found the problem statement at the Benchmark Ceramic. Firstly, unstoppable. Entrepreneur profit result the inconsistent. The profit resulting in the difficulties but obtain the adequate raw material. Secondly, the division of salary is also divided into two, namely profit to the company and handicraft. Next problem, this pandemic situation affect the productivity at the Benchmark Ceramic company because the studio had to be closed during the movement control MCO. Last about problem statement is lack of additional manpower is also a problem that reduces the percentage of the product and also matters such as packaging and delivery of the product.
So the purpose of the study is to identify the problem that faced by this company, and second purpose is to identify what business and service they offer.
Benchmark Ceramic was introduced on 10th of July 2013 by Adil bin Abdul Ghani, who was the founder of Benchmark Ceramic Company, by introducing his brand that calling Raaquu. Benchmark Ceramic is the first brand in Kuala Terengganu that opening his business as the first artist ceramic that trying applying the Raaquu technique in Malaysia. Among the well-known technique highlighted by his entrepreneurs are divided into three. Okay, that's calling half copper matte, full copper matte, and the latest are Ovara finishes. So three of us are the new latest of the product in a Benchmark Ceramic that the brand of Raaquu.
And this is organization structure. Just have to the founder Benchmark Ceramic, JID Abdul Ghani, and the friend as a partner marketing online.
Benchmark Ceramic is a company that provides Raaquu half copper matte, full copper matte, and Obvara until now. Besides that, Encik Adil also takes some order to make accessories from Raaquu, make ties, and also make forms on customer request. There are a few of example of Raaquu half copper matte, full copper matte, and Obvara.
Business marketing operational strategy. Business strategy. Firstly, identify target market. Benchmark ceramic target market is a customer all gender that included male and female, and also the international market. Secondly, affordable price. The price offered is also affordable, which is the key to the target market, because with a good price can offer increase the quality of the sale and the level of customer satisfaction. Last, about business strategy. The strategy plays the main character, because the strategy area is also an option to highlight the business plan in the area of the Chandrin, Kuala Terengganu, which the city of the focus for industry.
Every business has their own marketing strategy, and this business also has their own marketing strategy. First, they use social media platform, which is updating business profiles on social media platforms. The use of social media this to attract customers in addition to business product updates, to be promoted either by advertisement or using social media updates such as shop. The purpose is to turn storytelling into customers to get to know new info from social media. Besides, we also have digital platform, which is website. Benchmark Ceramic create the official website, has digital marketing to make it easier for customers to get more alternative, the latest info from the official website, the Raaquu brand. And last, they use community support, which is involvement of the art community in the selling business, helps in increasing the market revenue to the international, either in Malaysia or international, because the art community is mutually supportive and most of them are interested.
Operational strategy. Benchmark Ceramic workshop openings at 9 a.m. until 6 p.m. every day, except for Friday and Saturday is closed. In terms of stock, it's operated 24 hours, except customer booking anytime. For the product and the cost used, this is also not much, because this product Raaquu do not requires high cost and get lot of profit.
Financial achievement. Benchmark Ceramic has grown since the first time launch. This company always receives hard attention from the all art enthusiasts in Malaysia. In Malaysia, the Raaquu brand product brought Mr. Abdul Ghani as the success in bringing this product of the forefront among other in Japan, Europe, the United States, British, Canada, and also the homeland of the Malaysia. 50 years of ceramic craftsmanship experience, Mr. Adil is recognized artisan in the Asian ceramic scene. His Raaquu pieces have been exhibited worldwide since 2006. Next, about Benchmark Ceramic business model canvas. First, key partner. Benchmark Ceramic have a supplier and marketing online. Next, key activity. We have a walkthrough website, marketing dedicated, good customer service. And we have two key resources, that's material supplier, warehouse and operation, and skill manufacturing and copyright. Next, business model canvas. We have a customer relationship. Firstly, preferences, friendly service, quickly service, passionate, and need work. Go to the cost structure. We have a marketing, salary, and fee. Net, we have a channel. Firstly, direct selling, internet marketing, marketing intermediaries. Go to the value proposition with a easily accessible store, fast quickly service, consistent in word, variety option of design, and last, quality brand. Next, customer segment. We have international, local community, company, university student, and kids. Last, about business model canvas, we have a revenue stream. We have a two, direct selling and online selling.
For finding and discussion, first we have uncertain MCO. It is impossible to predict the rise of new case of COVID virus that are spreading our country right now. So many business have to shut down completely in Malaysia. As a result, many business have lost dramatically. So to overcome this problem, they use platforms from social media to pursue business in a new ways and strategies. They use advertising widely on every social media such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp. By doing this, the business will easily spread widely and get response from the public as well as grow well.
Finding and discussion for the second point. Recruitment of additional employees. Okay. Every enterprise needs a quality workforce to increase the value of the product output. With the recruitment or skilling workers, it is able to create a smooth productivities and make very work process easily. A part of that, the recruitment of the quantity of manpower is also able to save more effective time management on a product.
Finding and discussion. Firstly, attract public interest. In Malaysia, such the products are not very safe. This is because the community does not open their eyes to the uniqueness, the benefit of the function of the product. In this case, to attract the people to buy the Raaquu brand product, be benchmark ceramic in Malaysia and abroad. We use the technique open promotion by holding a live show to the product manufacturing process directly in the cyberspace, and to open the eyes of the netizen, the uniqueness and attractiveness of the Raaquu brand. And this is because the Malaysian prefer what the necessary in the survival. The benchmark ceramic made the reservation according to the wish of our customer. In the meantime, not only the Raaquu, but there are products for daily use such as plate, jewelry, and more. So which the people can choose to have a product result from benchmark ceramic.
So in conclusion, this study provides a lot of knowledge and experience to life to face the challenges and obstacles in real business, even provide an opportunity to feel the real atmosphere or situation in the business world. As a student, this kind of thing is very important to learn so that in the future it will be easy to face it in your own with the knowledge and teaching in this case study.
And now we are going to recommendation and improvement. Okay, for the first point is expand business advertisement in all media social platforms so that businesses are better known in general and get feedback from netizens in Malaysia or abroad. For the second point is to further grow the business towards more dominance. The product manufacturing process need to be sharing openly by broadcasting live on social media. With this effort, being able to bring results so that the product is better known to the netizen. For the third point is to further expand this business by editing new ideas of design that attract the interest of the public. As we know, as uniqueness in the eyes of public, attracting and unique design should be simple according to the interests and heritage of modern conceptual tradition.
Recommendation and improvement about benchmark ceramic. Firstly, in strengthening in the internal organization, this is business need to increase the quality of employer in order to run the work process more smoothly and have save time in the manufacturing process of the product. Secondly, in creating its own brand must be known to the public clearly. The idea is to apply the channel YouTube account itself to expand in the eyes of the world to see the front of the making, the hand of the Malay, and this because the share of all the process and experience in the field of ceramic. This is can also make important info for viewer and subscriber.